Okay, so hello everyone. In today's topic, we'll be discussing about the resting membrane potential, the action potential, and the diffusion potential. So this topic we'll be discussing about in today's topic, right? So basically ये बहुत बड़ा topic है तो आज हम सिर्फ diffusion potential discuss करेंगे. In the next video we'll be discussing about the resting membrane potential and action potential basically. Okay, ion channels. So, what are ion channels basically? So, they are basically specific integral proteins present inside the membrane, inside the cell membrane, and they are basically permeable towards a particular ion. Particular ions होते हैं उनकी तरफ permeable होते हैं तो वो इंटीग्रल प्रोटीन्स होती हैं आयन चेन्स होती हैं जो पर्टिकुलर आयंस को मूव करने के लिए हेल्पफुल होती हैं या पर्टिकुलर आयंस को परमेबल होते हैं राइट and ion channels are selective means that they permit a specific type of ion only. They are not permeable to every ion. They depend on the size of the channel and the charge on it, right? So basically it depends that which charge is on that particular ion channel and what is the size of that particular channel. Just like कितना for suppose अगर कोई बड़ा ion है और एक छोटा ion है तो छोटा ion can easily pass through it, right? But the bigger ion won't be able to pass that quickly, right? So maybe it won't be able to pass it out, right? So basically it means that the size of the channel or the charge of the channel, right, determines that which ion should be passing from the channel, right? Okay, moving forward, ion channels may be open or closed. So they can be open, they can be closed. That depends totally depends on two factors, right? So there are two type of ion channels, which are the voltage gated channels and ligand gated channels, right? So basically what happens that now whenever the ion channels are open, they allow the permeability of a particular ion, and whenever they are closed, they don't allow any ion to move or any ion to flow out from that channel, right? So now what happens that basically the conductance of a channel, that channel which is basically involved in particular movement of particular ion is basically of two types, whether it's of voltage gated channel or whether it's of ligand gated channels. Voltage gated channels are those channels which are open and closed on the basis of the difference in the voltage, right? Potential difference. Whenever there is a change in the potential difference, whenever there is a change in the voltage, it opens or closed. Just like the sodium channels, the activation gate of the sodium channels is basically opened whenever there is a depolarization. Depolarization happens, sodium channels opens up, and whenever there is and simultaneously when the activation gates are opening, then the inactivation gates are closing down during the depolarization, right? Okay, then moving forward, ligand gated channels. So the ligand gated channels are those which are opened or closed by the hormone secondary messengers or the neurotransmitters. So specifically, if we move towards the example of it, so we can see that the acetylcholine, we all know about the acetylcholine, which is basically a neurotransmitter which opens the nicotinic receptor in the muscles. So basically, it is helpful in opening the nicotinic receptors in the muscles, right? So this is example of the ligand gated channels which open or closes by the hormone secondary messenger or neurotransmitters. Okay, then diffusion and equilibrium potential. Diffusion potential is a potential which is generated as a result of the diffusion of a particular ions. So the particular ions leads to a diffusion potential, right? And basically what happens that equilibrium potential when the ions uh, when the ion reaches to the equilibrium, जब equilibrium reach जाता है, when the ion reaches to the equilibrium, so after reaching the equilibrium, the potential difference which is present is called the equilibrium potential. So then there is an example given. So in today's topic we discussed about the ion channels. Ion channels are selective, they are integral proteins, they are of two type, voltage gated channels and ligand gated channels, and then we discuss the diffusion equilibrium potential. And then in the next video we'll be discussing about the action membrane potential and resting membrane potential. Thank you.